Yeah, find the fun.
Woohoo! This sure is a whirlwind of fun!
Enjoy your jolly, fun-filled time.
Thanks, Edgar. Greatest day ever! Woo! We're winding down. Now please stay seated until the emotional whirlwind comes to a complete stop. Then wait for a mind worker to open your door. Okay, time to get these memories down the long term. Bye-bye!